Picture this, a world where machines don't just perform tasks, but think, create, and possibly outsmart human intelligence. Yes, we're talking about the dawn of artificial intelligence, or AI, as it's more commonly known. It's a revolutionary technology that's reshaping our world, one bite at a time. Let's start with personalized medicine. We're seeing AI algorithms sift through vast amounts of genetic data, helping doctors tailor treatments to each patient's unique DNA. It's like having a super smart assistant that can read and understand the complex language of our genes. Then there are self-driving cars, navigating through busy city streets with ease, all thanks to AI. These aren't just fancy toys for tech enthusiasts. They're harbingers of a future where traffic accidents could be drastically reduced, and everyone, regardless of age or disability, can enjoy the freedom of mobility. But AI isn't just about serious stuff. It's also shaking up the world of entertainment. Have you ever heard of an AI DJ? Well, they're here, creating tunes that can make you groove, and they're getting better every day. And who could forget those adorable robotic companions? They're more than just cute faces. With AI, they're learning to understand and respond to human emotions. It's like having a friend who's always there for you, rain or shine. To delve deeper into this intriguing world of AI, we've spoken with experts across various fields. They've shared how AI is positively impacting their sectors, from speeding up research in labs to helping artists push the boundaries of creativity. But just like a coin, AI has two sides. While it's transforming our world in amazing ways, it's also posing some significant challenges. After all, a technology that can think and learn like us could also make mistakes like us, maybe even bigger ones. Fascinating, isn't it? But, as with all great power, there come great challenges. As we step further into this brave new world of AI, we must ask ourselves, how can we harness this power responsibly? How can we ensure that AI becomes a tool for progress, not destruction? Stay tuned as we continue to explore these questions in the next scenes. While AI carries immense potential, it also brings forth unprecedented challenges. It's like a double-edged sword. On one side, we have the promise of a future where machines can help us solve complex problems, from medical diagnostics to climate modeling. On the other, we face the potential pitfalls of this brave new world. Consider job displacement. As AI becomes more proficient, it's inevitable that some roles currently filled by humans will become obsolete. This isn't merely a concern for factory workers or drivers. Even jobs requiring a higher level of expertise could be impacted. Then there are ethical dilemmas. Who is responsible when an autonomous vehicle causes an accident? How do we ensure AI respects our privacy rights? And how do we prevent it from amplifying existing biases, when it's often trained on inherently biased data, not to mention the existential threats? Renowned thinkers like Elon Musk and the late Stephen Hawking have warned of a future where superintelligent AI could pose a risk to humanity itself. These are complex issues, and there's a wide spectrum of opinions out there. Some see AI as a tool for unprecedented progress. Others warn of a dystopian future, but one thing is clear. We need to think critically about how we develop and control AI. Indeed, it's a conundrum. But the answer lies not in fear, but in understanding and collaboration. The future of AI is not just in the hands of scientists or tech moguls, but in ours too. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's crucial to remember that the development and deployment of AI should always be human-centered. It should be designed to serve us, to enrich our lives and to solve our problems, not to replace us or to create new ones. To ensure this, we need to establish ethical frameworks for AI. These guidelines will help us navigate the moral and societal implications of these advanced technologies, ensuring that they are used responsibly and for the common good. Education plays a pivotal role too. We need to equip ourselves with the knowledge and skills to understand and interact with AI. This isn't about turning everyone into a computer scientist, but about fostering a basic understanding of AI and its implications. Moreover, the future of AI is not a solo act, but a duet between humans and machines. It's about collaboration rather than competition. AI can help us push boundaries and achieve things we could only dream of, but it requires our guidance, our values, and our wisdom. Remember, the future isn't something that happens to us, it's something we create. So get involved, stay curious, and help shape the future of AI for the benefit of all.